Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial for you. How to create an SSH SSL TLS Stunnel server and set it up on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN for a faster and more secure internet connection. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more VPN updates and hidden tricks. Also, check out our blog for the latest VPN tweaks and tips. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar. Hit enter and look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results. Click on it. This is where we'll be creating our SSH SSL server. Once on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button, usually at the top corner, and click it to open the available options. From the menu, select SSH to proceed to the server creation page. Now you'll need to enter a username and password, complete the CAPTCHA verification, click Create Now. Within a few seconds, your server details will be generated. Click the Copy Server Info button to save it to your clipboard, then paste it into Notepad or any text-saving app for future use. Next, we need to install the SocksIP Tunnel app. 1. Open Google Play Store. 2. Search for SocksIP Tunnel. 3. Click on the app and tap Install. 4. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. On the app home screen, click the settings icon to access the configuration menu. Under Tunnel Mode, expand the menu and select Custom SSH. Click Configure SSH to open the settings window. Now, let's input the server details. 1. Payload. Paste the invalid payload. 2. Server IP and port. Paste the IP address you copied earlier and use port 80 or 443 for SSL. 3. Username and password. Enter the details from the server creation step. Finally, in the last field, enter the full login format, IP, port at username password. Once everything is correct, click Save Configuration SSH. Now, go back to the home screen of the SocksIP Tunnel app. Click the Start button to establish a secure web connection. Congratulations! Your SSH SSL server is now set up, and you're ready to enjoy a faster and more secure internet experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.